Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing a head-to-head match between Shark and Dyson, two of the best vacuum companies on planet Earth, period. They both make excellent products, and I highly suggest both companies. But before I go any further, as always, we're going to have an Amazon link in the description below for vacuums from Shark and vacuums from Dyson. I can't exemplify how good these companies really are just from these two products, because they make a lot of good ones. Like Dyson even makes cordless ones that are handheld and you don't even need to put them along the floor. And Shark has cool ones that you can even disconnect from the floor pattern and vacuum your stairs with it, while you can also reconnect it to do floor. So kind of like a two-in-one right there. I highly suggest both the companies. I'm not saying neither of them are bad. Neither of them are bad, but from a general overview, Dyson is better engineered. They just have great looking products and they have great engineering, and I'll tell you why. This is an older model. This is the DC14, but like even their attachments, they go directly into the vacuum itself. With the Shark, you have to have the attachments kind of on a shelf or something just along the side. But this one actually disconnects where this one does not. This one has a permanent HEPA filter where this one has a foam filter that needs to be washed. So you're going to learn more from the Amazon descriptions and the Amazon links than me just talking about these things. So check them out in the link below. I will have a full line for Shark's Lift-Away series. This is a Lift-Away Deluxe, but they have tons of different Lift-Aways, and Dyson has so many vacuums, it's ridiculous. Handheld, cordless, floored models. They have basically every type of vacuum you can ever want. They all have these extendable, releasable vacuums to make it easy for you to use the stairs. But Shark is definitely more of an affordable option, and Dyson is more like the Apple of the the vacuum world. They're not bad products. I'm not saying Dyson's a bad product, but they're fairly expensive, where Shark is more economical and basically has the same feature. I would compare it to like an Android. It's got basically everything you need on it. You pop this tab, it does the same thing as this, where you push a button on top and all the dust and grime goes right into a trash can, and it's hypoallergenic, and it goes right in the can and not a lot of dust is going around. And the same with this one. You pop this off, you click a button, it goes right in the can, or it goes right in the waste bin outside. And this is a quick little view around of these things. They both have cord hooks. Those are pretty standard on vacuums. They have relief switches. They have power on, power off. This is power on, power off. And I still even have the stickers on these things. This is an old vacuum. We've had this Dyson for, I don't know, geez, 7+ years, and it's still running. So they make, they're expensive, but they're good products, and they just don't break. This thing's been dropped downstairs and pushed into furniture and beaten up and abused, and it still works. Same with the Shark. This is a little bit of a newer one, but we've dinged this thing, dropped it on top of stuff, hit the plastic against a pole. It's still good. Like, it's a good product. They're both good products. If I had to choose, if we got to do what would I pick, I would probably go for the Shark, just because it has pretty much all of the features of a Dyson, and it's a lot more economical. This is like a third of the price of that, and it's basically the same vacuum. Is it beautifully engineered? No, it's more economical, but you'll have to make that decision for yourself. Amazon links in the description below. Check them out today. Shark and Dyson, highly recommend both of these brands. Chmelaeon.com is out. Oh, and before I go, here's what it looks like before you vacuum it. Here's what it looks like after. So, results speak for themselves. Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.